Hello, my name is Saroj Patil. Today I am going to present our fourth year major project, Blendforce. So this is the homepage of our application. As we can see, we have a dashboard button in the nav bar. On clicking the dashboard, we are able to see the dashboard page wherein the total employees are visible, how many new employees, what is the ratio of male to female is also given, and the performance of the company, that is the male to female ratio. Now, in the graphs below, we can see the diversity of the company from 1985 to 2020. We can see the ratios of male against females against others. Also, in the pie chart, we can see the analysis based on gender in more detail, and also whether the employees are indigenous or out of the country. We can see that over in this pie chart. As we scroll down, we can see multiple departments are listed, and we can analyze each department individually. We will move to that page later. As we move, we can see the vendors distribution is also given on campus, referrals, LinkedIn, and etc. Now, if we want to analyze, suppose IT department, we can click on analyze over here. In the departments page, we can see that all the departments are listed over here. And if we scroll down, we can see the IT department. The analysis is done based on their gender, indigenous, and disability in these pie charts. As we scroll down, we can see the recommendations as well. We are providing the recommendations of the candidates that have applied for a particular job post in the IT department based on their ATS score. And the ATS score is calculated based on the job post, job description, and the resume similarity. We have used choice and similarity for getting the ATS score. Similarly, we can analyze any other department as well. Suppose I want to analyze sales department. We can similarly see the analysis based on the sales department's gender, indigenous, disability, as well as the recommendations. Now, we can move on to the next feature, that is the employee management system. Here, the organizations can, HR managers can import the existing employee database by clicking on this and import the database, or the HR manager can export the database that is currently present in the system. Suppose we want to export the database, we can click on the export button. It will take a few seconds and the database gets exported into CSV. So this is very helpful for the managers as they don't have to enter manually each employee. They can simply handle CSV files over here. Now moving on to the jobs feature, the HR managers can create new job postings from this portal. They can create a new job. Also, they can analyze the previously posted jobs. Suppose they want to, there are three types: the latest job postings that are already ongoing, the ongoing interviews, and the completed interviews. Suppose I want to analyze, the HR wants to analyze the software engineering position. They can click on analyze interviews. You can see the candidates in each round. In the first applications round, 85 candidates were there. In the aptitude round, 45 candidates were there, and so on. In each round, how many candidates are there, the HR can see over here. Also, the vendors from where the candidates are coming. So, LinkedIn, on campus, referrals, Indeed, etc. And the diversity in ratio of each vendor. The HR can analyze each round individually over here. Suppose the applied candidates 34% were female and 64% were male. And in aptitude round, 66% were male and 31% were female, and so on. In each round, he can analyze the diversity ratio and see how the company is performing over there. Now, moving on to the next feature, that is the vendor management system. The HR manager can see from where the candidates are coming into the company. Of the graph from 2017 to 2022 is shown over here, and various portals like on campus, referrals, LinkedIn, Naukri, and Indeed are mentioned over here. The graph. And on-campus analysis also done. So in 2017, 690 males were hired and 105 females were hired from on-campus. And in 2022, 700 males were hired and 480 females were hired. Thus, the diversity ratio is improved. Now, in order, if the HR wants to analyze the on-campus jobs, he can click on analyze, and then he can see each and every college. From each college, how many students were hired and what was the diversity ratio from that college. Now, moving on to the next feature is the chatbot system. Here, the HR manager can ask how many females are present in the company, and the chatbot will answer the exact value that are exact value. So the HR don't have to doesn't have has to write SQL queries to find the data. He can directly ask the chatbot. So this was the application of the from the HR point of view. We also have a candidates portal wherein the candidates can apply to the job posting posted by the HR manager. So that was the application. Thank you.